To deposit a check at the ATM machine, start by locating a compatible ATM that accepts check deposits. Ensure you have your debit card, the check you want to deposit, and a pen to endorse the check. Begin by inserting your debit card into the ATM and entering your PIN to log into your account. Select the deposit option from the menu and choose the account where you want to deposit the check. The ATM will prompt you to insert the check into the deposit slot. Before inserting the check, make sure to endorse it by signing your name on the back. This confirms that you are the account holder and allows the bank to process the deposit. Insert the check into the deposit slot and wait for the ATM to scan and verify the check. Once the check is verified, the ATM will prompt you to confirm the deposit amount. Review the amount to ensure it is correct and select Confirm to complete the deposit. The ATM will then provide a receipt as proof of the deposit. Keep the receipt for your records as it will include the deposit amount and the date of the deposit. It is also a good idea to verify the deposit in your account online or through the bank's mobile app to ensure the funds are available. To avoid any issues with the deposit, make sure the check is properly endorsed and the ATM is able to read the check. Also, be aware of any deposit limits or fees associated with depositing checks at the ATM. By following these steps, you can easily deposit a check at the ATM machine and access your funds quickly and conveniently. Always review your account activity regularly to ensure the deposit was processed correctly and the funds are available for use.